Neel's incredible Indian adventure. Hello friends, my name is Neel, and I am a peacock with a very big, fan-shaped tail. Today, I want to take you on a trip to my beautiful home, a country called India. Are you ready to explore? Put on your sun hats and let's fly. Our first stop is a place that looks like a palace from a fairy tale. It is called the Taj Mahal. It is made of white stone that shines in the sun. It was built a long time ago as a gift of love. It is so big and quiet here, and the gardens are full of flowers. Look who is coming down the path. This is my friend Gaja. She is a very kind elephant. In India, elephants are celebrated and sometimes wear beautiful, colorful blankets and jewelry. Gaja is very strong, but she walks very softly on her big feet. Exploring makes us very hungry. India has the best snacks. We are sharing some sweet yellow mangoes. They are the most famous fruit here. We also have crunchy samosas, which are little triangles filled with tasty potatoes and peas. Yum! Now we are heading into the deep green jungle. The trees are tall and the vines hang down like ropes. We have to be very quiet and use our eyes to peek through the leaves. We are looking for someone very special who lives in the tall grass. Shh, look there. It's Sher. He is a brave Bengal tiger. He has beautiful orange fur with dark black stripes that help him hide in the shadows. Sher is very fast and can jump very high, but right now, he is just taking a morning nap in the sun. As the sun goes down, the whole country begins to glow. It is time for Diwali, the festival of lights. Everyone lights small clay lamps called diyas. The lights show that goodness and kindness always win. It looks like the stars have come down to visit the earth. After the quiet lights of Diwali comes the loudest, brightest party of all, Holi. This is the festival of colors. People throw brightly colored powders at each other to celebrate the start of spring. Look at me. I started out blue and green, but now I'm a rainbow. In the middle of the celebration, we meet a new friend named Anika. She is wearing a beautiful spinning dress and dancing to the beat of a drum. In India, music and dancing are part of every big party. Everyone claps their hands and moves to the rhythm. India is a land of many colors, many animals, and many smiles. We have seen tall buildings, deep jungles, and bright festivals. I am so happy you came to visit me. Remember, there is always a new friend to meet and a new snack to try. Goodbye for now.